Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be illustrating how we can add timestamps to our YouTube videos. So you can call it timestamps or time codes or chapter names or whatever you feel like calling, but how do we add a time code that people can just click on and go to that part of your YouTube video? So in order to do that, you will first have to make a note of the timestamps by watching your own video. And I have quickly done that for one of my videos on Notepad over here. And you'll have to remember that the format should be in the hour, minute, second. And I have made a note of the timings based on that. Of course, if the hours don't exist, then you don't have to make a note of it. So all you have to do is just copy these timings along with the topic names and copy it and go to your YouTube video, whichever one you want to edit in. For that, you will have to go into customize channel, and within customize channel, get into your content, and whichever is the video for which you're looking to add timestamps, click on that video. And once you click that, you can add it in the description box. So you can either add it in the description box or you can also add it to the comments on the video. Usually I prefer to add it in the description box, but some people can as well choose to put it in the comment section as well. But I'm just adding that over here and giving it, and all you have to do is just save this and this will reflect on your video. Save it, and now you can just go back to your video and verify if it is. So if you go into the description, it's reflected over here. So this is how you add your timestamps. And a quick side note is that you can either add the timestamps to the left or to the right of the topic names. From a human psychology perspective, what I have understood is that it usually works better when you add the topic names first and then followed by the timestamp, because our focus goes more onto the topic name usually, and that gets highlighted. So just to see that in another video of mine, this is another video of mine in which I've added the timestamps. I've added the topics first, followed by the timestamps, and I personally think that this makes more sense. But yeah, to each their own. So go ahead and feel free to try this out on your YouTube videos and let me know. Thank you. See you all in the next video, guys. Bye bye.